Chantel, Quest Marketing Coordinator. I've been working hard with my team to generate content for yours in 2018. We have events, training, videos, and more coming your way. It's all designed to make our customers more successful. We want to keep you up to date with what's happening at Quest, so each quarter we'll be providing a video that details the training and events that are coming up. Come to our Jumpstart January webinar series if you're interested in topics related to SOLIDWORKS or simulation. We'll cover new features like topology in simulation and tab and slot in SOLIDWORKS. Next up in February and March is our Lunch and Learn series on SOLIDWORKS Manage. If you're in project, process, or resource management, you're going to love this software. Say goodbye to Excel documenting your tasks and assignments, and hello to automation. These events will be held in Seattle, Post Falls, Boise, and Tri-Cities. If you want to get hands-on with our CAD or simulation software, join us at an upcoming hands-on test drive in March or April. An application engineer will lead you for 3 hours through the software so you can see how it'll help you and your business succeed in 2018. Our upcoming training this quarter includes SOLIDWORKS Essentials, Sheet Metal, Surface Modeling, Weldments, Composer, and more. We'll have even more content for you in Q2. To register for training and events, check out our calendar. If you want to see more content created in Q1, check out these videos. And as always, please subscribe. Okay, I think that's good enough.